Here's how you can create an API key in ElevenLabs. Before we get started, consider using our affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and we really appreciate it. Once you're signed in, click the Developers button at the bottom, then select API Keys. Before creating a new key, it's a good idea to review the API pricing page so you understand the available plans and usage limits. When you're ready, click Create Key. Enter a name for your API key, then choose an expiration date if needed. Next, configure the key's permissions. Be sure to restrict access so the API key can only be used for the actions you want to authorize. You can also set a credit limit and adjust any additional permissions available. Once everything is configured, click Create Key at the bottom. Your API key is now ready. Copy it and store it in a safe place, as you may not be able to view it again later. If you ever need to remove an API key, click the three dots next to it and select Delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching.